Are you tired of streaming to an empty chat or simply frustrated that you're streaming to the same people over and over again? One hack that every streamer should be using right now is by utilizing short form clips. Streaming has gotten so oversaturated lately with literally everyone and their moms wanting to become a streamer. This means that you have to go beyond just streaming in order to get new eyes on your streams. I know, right? If you're streaming to Twitch, then you literally have no excuse on why you're not making clips. You can go into the creator dashboard and edit down those streams to make clips. But don't worry if you're on Kick or a different platform. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you a method to make clips just for you. But once you have that one clip made, you can share it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, I guess. And that one piece of content you can cross-post everywhere to get that many more new eyes towards your stream. For example, let's take a look at my pathetic attempt at YouTube Shorts. These are the last 28 days of just my YouTube Shorts analytics, and as you can see, I haven't posted for more than half of those days. Yet they still brought me in just over 17,500 views, which is that many more people aware of my content and streams versus just streaming into the void every single day, not giving any new eyes a chance to see you. Because we know Twitch and Kick aren't pushing our streams. So let me put you on to how you can start making clips easily, because I'm lazy. I'll show you two methods. The first one is going to be taking advantage of today's very convenient sponsor, Eclipse. Eclipse is an AI-powered tool that takes care of 90% of your content creation, which obviously I like. They also fully support a variety of games and streams, but they work best usually when it comes to Call of Duty, Fortnite, and Valorant, because it can effortlessly capture your victories, your aces, those clutch moments, kills, team wipes, quad feats, and so much more. Also, Eclipse has one of the easiest editing studio with cool graphic templates that you can use. Also, they have automatic captions and stickers, all for free. So that way you can share your creations seamlessly on any of your preferred social media platforms with just a couple clicks. So don't miss out. I have a link in the description down below where you can easily sign up now and grow your presence beyond Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or Kick. The second method is using a free OBS plugin in order to capture vertical clips live on the fly while we're streaming. We're going to be using a free plugin called Atom, which I'll leave linked in the description down below. You can see we got a trial here, but that's not what we want. We want to scroll down till we get the Atom vertical plugin, and this one's free. So we're going to download the little app right here, and we're going to give it a couple seconds and open the exe file and run through the installation and all that jazz. So give it a second to download. We're going to run this. Now we're just going to save it to our OBS folder, click install, literally a couple clicks, and click finish. Now I'm going to close OBS and reopen it. So I've opened up OBS Studio right here, and if you guys like the little overlay that you see right here, I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can grab one. But once we've installed the plugin, we're going to go to the Docs tab, and we're going to see these new things right here. So we're going to start with the vertical dock, and we're just going to grab the top, and we're going to put it where we want. I'm going to put it on the right-hand side, conveniently behind my webcam. This is a pretty bad spot for my webcam. Let me move it. All right, I'm over here now. So now we got the vertical tab right here. We're going to go to the docs again. Oh my God, it's in the way again. So we're going to go to the docs, and then we're going to add the vertical sources. We're going to drag this down here into one of these. And if for whatever reason, it's not like letting you put it in here, I had the same issue. All I had to do is like click this little thing there, and it would pop out one, and then it would let me re-put it back in. I don't know why it does that. That's super weird. If someone knows like that, like sometimes you just gotta finnick around with it and it'll be fine. I don't know. And no, my docs are not locked right there. So if someone in the chat knows, let me know in the comments below. It drives me nuts. So now we got our vertical sources, and then we can also add one more that's vertical scenes if we'd like, and we can put it right next to it, make it a little bit bigger. And so we have one vertical scene. We can just call this one gameplay. You can also add one for just chatting if you'd like, but we're going to keep it simple for this video. So for vertical sources, we're going to add our webcam. So I'm going to go to video capture device. And if you don't have a webcam, that's totally fine. I'm just going to add this camera right here. We're going to add it at the top, maybe like right there. Looks good to me. And now we're going to add another vertical source. And if, like I said, if you don't want the webcam, skip the webcam step. We're just going to use either a display capture, a game capture, or window capture for our screen. So in this case, I'm actually not going to use a display capture, but you could if you wanted to. I'm going to use a game capture or a window capture. So I'm going to do new. I'm going to capture a specific window. I got my game up, which is only up, so I'll click that. Give it a couple seconds. If it's not working, I can change that this would be here, or if it's still not working, like it's not now, I can cancel out of that and get rid of the game capture, and then we can click on add a new source and do a window capture. I'll do a new window capture. Now we're going to capture the window of only up. If it still doesn't work, you can do Windows 10 and up, like that right there, and then we have our game. So we'll click OK, and we can get our game to how we want it. We can stretch it a little bit like so. I'm gonna get it right around the middle. You can also right click it, and then you can transform and go center to screen, so that way it gives you the center, and then we can just drag it down right about there. Then we can also drag our camera above the window capture there, so that way it just looks a little bit cleaner. So now this is what my vertical format looks like. So now we can click the little settings button right below there. You can see we got our resolution. That is the vertical format. For our video bitrate, I'm gonna honestly change this to like 6,000, I think is a good point. Then we can go to 320 for audio. Honestly, you can go all the way up to 8,000. We can have backtrack always on or backtrack runs while streaming and recording. Basically what this means is that we can set a hotkey right here. So I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna press number pad minus, something that I never really use. And anytime that backtrack is running and I press the number pad minus button, it's gonna record the last 20 seconds of my stream or whatever I'm recording at that time. So for realsies, we should probably change this to like 90 seconds, because if I wanna make YouTube shorts, I gotta keep it 60 seconds or less, but I'll give myself extra leeway for 30 seconds in case I wanna go and edit it down later. So I'm gonna make it about 90 seconds. We're gonna change the folder with browse if you'd like to change the whichever folder is gonna show your little file with the clip. And then we have our hotkey that we already did. If you want, you can have backtrack always on. So as soon as you boot up OBS Studio, it will just be on. Or if you're only planning on doing these kind of backtrack clips for the vertical form while you're streaming or actively recording, then you can just leave this on. For instance, I'm not gonna be streaming and recording right now, so I'm just gonna leave it always on, but that's completely up to you, just for the purposes of this video. So I have all my settings set up here, and what we can do is click OK. So to keep this very simple, we only have one vertical scene here. Like I said, if you wanted to add another scene, like for just chatting or something like that, you could add a different scene. And if you wanted to link them to your regular scenes here, you could right click and link the scenes here. So if I wanted to switch to this scene when I'm on a certain scene in OBS, you go to link scenes, and you can link it there, and you can automatically switch that way. So since I have under the settings, backtrack is always on, you can see it is ready to get my input. So let's go into the game and actually get a clip that we can post. So I'm running my game right here. Let's say we're just trying to make this jump. Let's go. Oh man, we just slipped. Wait, can we clutch it? Can we save it? Please, please let us save it. Oh, we got it. Wait, can we bring it back maybe? Oh no, we fell again. Wait, the clutch save right here. Oh, nice, we got it. Sick. All right, so I wanted to clip that, right? So I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna finger the number pad minus button. I press the button. So we're gonna go to OBS now. And now you can see at the bottom of OBS, it says recording saved to the folder that we saved it to. So let's go to that folder. And voila, right here, we have our little vertical format clip. So we have the full 90-second clip here. So then you can just take that clip, edit it down, just trim the sides a little bit, and then just simply upload it to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and all those other places to get that many more eyes on your stream. So watch this playlist to the side of me to take your stream to the next level. My name's Cody, and I'll see you in the next one.